So today I'll be showing you how to turn on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So to turn on this camera, you just need to go to the side and find the power button, and you need to press it once. But if it's the first time, then you first need to make sure there's a charged battery in there. Now, if it's the very first time, then holding the camera like this, you want to go to the left hand side and open up this enclosure, and you open up the battery enclosure by pressing and pushing upwards. Okay, so just press and push up. You can see that door slides up, and then you release, and then now you open like this, and that's the battery enclosure. So you need to put the battery in. Now the battery comes in the packaging of your DJI Osmo Action 5. So this is what the battery looks like, and you want to make sure you insert it properly. So there's going to be pins in there, and you want to make sure they align with these pins here. All right, so you're gonna put it like this, of course, with this little thing facing up, and then just put the door like this, and then once it's flush, you just slide it down, and then it's gonna lock in place. Now that you have a charged battery in there, pressing on this button will turn on the DJI Osmo Action 5. Simple as that. Now, if you still cannot turn it on, then you might want to plug it in to charge for a couple of moments. And to do that, you need to slide the other door on the opposite side. So you can see this one has its arrow facing down. So it's the same drill, just push towards the phone and then slide down. And then it's gonna open up, and then you'll see the Type-C port. And now you can pick up a Type-C charger. You can use the one that came in the packaging of your camera, or just basically any Type-C charger, and then plug it in and let it charge for a couple of moments before you attempt to turn it on again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.